y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Mitchell. If you hear noise, it's actually my dryer. I am about to do some braids, but I'm going to be doing the whole thing. I'm talking about shampoo, deep conditioning. I'm going to be doing braids, y'all. Trim, the whole nine. So that's what this video is about. I'm not sure, I'll probably skip past a couple of things, but anyway, so I just want you all to know that that's what I'm going to be doing today. And that's what's about to go down. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Before leaving, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn your notification bell so that way you know I've dropped a video. And I thank each and every one of y'all for watching. Let's go ahead and get into this video, y'all. Okay, y'all, so let's get into it. So right now, I am detangling her before I shampoo her because she just came out of braids and I wanted to make sure that there's no buildup at the roots. So that's what I am doing right now. I use a wide tooth comb just to part down sections and just make sure that there's no buildup. Okay, so now as you all can see, I am shampooing. She has been complaining about an itchy scalp, so I went on ahead and used a rosemary stimulating shampoo, and then I went on ahead and I put a little bit of astringent on her scalp and I let that sit for a few minutes. I'm gonna say about 5 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. Okay, so y'all, this is one of the important processes. When you are shampooing and detangling, you want to make sure that you put enough conditioner on the hair. As you can see, she has really full and thick hair, and I want to make sure that I get the conditioner all over her hair, as you can see. So I'm going to go through it and pull through, and I'm going to take the comb and do each section and kind of start from the ends and work my way up. This is important because it's going to make the detangling process easier. So especially when it's time to blow dry, you always see that in the set, but this step is very, very important. Y'all, look at this shrinkage. The shrinkage is real. Look how much hair she has, y'all. So I am using the Red Pro blow dryer, and I love this blow dryer. I've been using it for almost 2 to 3 years, and it gets the job done. I don't use it for blowouts. I usually just use it for when I'm about to do a blow dry for like braids or natural styles. But I absolutely love this dryer, and it will be in the description box. So as you all can see, I went ahead and got started. Right now I am doing medium-sized oval parting braids. I am using Expressions pre-stretched hair, and I've always done oval partings on hair. I just love the way it turns out. The product that I'm using is Tyche Cherry Scent and Twist Gel. I really do like it, and it does really good on the hair. Sometimes I go back and forth with that or the neat braid, but it does just as good as a job as neat braid.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. know, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, y'all still go. Go, go slow, y'all still go. Go, there's no hope, y'all still go. I never ran, so no, man, I still go.
So y'all, I am done. The braids came out so nice. Really nice. And so now I am about to put her hair up in the bun. I don't normally do this, y'all. I don't normally do this because of the tension around the hairline. But I went ahead and did it for her this time. She doesn't normally wear it up like this, like all the time. So I went ahead and just decided to put it up for her. And I also didn't use any rubber bands or anything because I felt like the rubber band would have added more tension. So I just kind of took her hair, brought it up into a ponytail, and just kind of wrapped it and put some hairpins in there to, to keep it in place. So y'all, that is it. Braids are done. Bun is up. And I thank each and every one of you that watched this video all the way through. If you watched the video all the way through, please leave a thumbs up in the comments. I thank each and every one of y'all. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel before leaving. Turn your notification bells on so that way you know I dropped a video. And please leave comments. Please leave comments. I love to talk with you all through the comment section and stuff like that. And again, I thank you all, and I hope you have a great and blessed week. Bye, y'all.